Next on this episode of This Dirty Bench, just kidding, it's me again. Yeah, my bench is a mess, and what was I going to show you? Oh yeah, this is for you folks. I got me an alligator wrench. Look at it. Dinosaur wrench. Actually, looks like a pterodactyl. I should weld it to a beak and make... Actually, it's funny because if you take something like... Where'd that little piece of metal go ahead? Where did it go? Did you put... Here's the thing. If you put this in here, like so... Yep, close it up in there. Come on. Come on. Ah! Show you what I'm doing in a second. If you close this in here, see? There's the little birdie. And this is the birdie feeding the baby wrenches, see? It's giving it food. Nom, 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 see? That's how the big wrench feeds the vice grips and raises vice grips. My microphone's going to go dead in a few minutes, so I better hurry up. Anyway, I got this. It is called the Elgin, patented June 3rd, 97. I don't think that's 1997. Oh, sorry about the birth control glasses here. What else? That's for that video. I thought it was pretty dumb. What else? Oh yeah, I got another video for you.